1 o'clock and it's time to do makeup. Today I'm wanting to do something more complex, but we'll see how much time I have and how my inspiration goes. We'll see. Ready? Today's makeup is rainbow face. What? So my friends, it is raining today. And just drizzling, but it is raining. And it's not so nice. For some reason I'm all dressed up. But it did say it was going to rain on Saturday. God, Thoth is having a really bad couple of days. He's been very depressed and scared about the future. And I'm not so scared, but I know that the only thing we can do is just continue to try, and there's really nothing else we can do. Biking in this rain is going to be fun, isn't it? It is very much raining right now. Very heavily raining, as you can see. I don't know why we're going to the park today. It's because we didn't go out yesterday. God, this is hard. So the whole tunnel is full of people, and I question why we came out. And it's...
The thing is that when we were leaving, it seemed like it was a nothing thing. And
yeah, it seemed like it was going to be okay. And it kind of stopped, but we don't have anywhere to play. Pascual's here, and Bill is here, and Tori is here, and these lovely ladies are here, because it was raining and the whole spot was blocked off. So now we're going to start. We're going to be a little late, but it is sunny now. Who knows what's going to happen. So we're both tired of playing scared. We're tired of it being so hard.
People threatening us all the time.
Say that again?
People are always threatening us.
We're always
They always want to stop us.
Yep, I don't know why. It's raining again, continuing to rain, and we're just having a really, really tough day today. Tough day.
Once we hold the space, we have the space.
Yeah, but it's still really, really hard.
It will stop raining.
It's just rain.
Hello.
What a cutie.
Cheerful.
Alright, it's filming already. I haven't filmed my solo in a while. I just played a solo. This is my solo time. My little break from my solo, and did a good job. Didn't play it as long as usual. What a day. It just won't stop raining. Just continuous rain forever and ever. He always gathers a really big crowd. It's really amazing. He's a master of performance. Thoth is. And he's 62, my friends.
And it's time to go.
No,
No,
honey,
you know what I mean.
don't say that. No.
But it really is. I'm in my bliss. I am, and I can die now. But
Well,
when
it's
I'm
more
not
that you
doing
can
it,
face whatever you have to face.
Well,
That's more what it is.
it's
Yeah, I
more
know
I'm
what you
completely
mean, but
neutral because I'm fully here,
you're
fully here. And when I'm not here, when we're not here, and I'm not here,
You're
and then it's
depressed.
like, how am I going to get to my death dance from this place where I am underneath the table?
Are you guys done?
Almost. We're almost done.
what time is it? It's
Specific date to
Yeah.
play here?
that we're here. Yeah, we're here
Can I ask that?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
from 3:30 to 5:30.
From 3:30 to 5:30. Ah, okay.
And
here?
then yeah, and you can take a picture of that.
Actually,
That's-
my phone
yeah.
died.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So like, do you have like name card?
We ran out of cards and we forgot to bring them today. We're called Tribal Baroque. You can write it down on a
Yeah,
phone or.
I have book. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Can I?
God damn it! Sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Tell me your name. I'm sorry. Do it one more time.
Okay.
You're Skylar.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Skylar. I'm Yumi. Hi.
And she's from Japan and she's from China, and they're both fashion.
Yeah, I'm fashion merchandise major.
That's so cool. That's
Yeah.
so cool. And they just happened on us at the last second. It's really you terrified about.
I'm terrified of being attacked.
Attacked by who?
Well, whoever, we're constantly attacked. The ranger attacked us the other day.
He didn't attack us.
Yes, he did. He attacked us energetically. I've
Yeah,
been
because we were
feeling it
fucked
all-
up for the rest
I'm
of the
feeling
day,
it since harm has been done. Are you kidding?
and we're
me?
fucked up.
I wish that they would start arresting people for this kind of behavior. Actually,
Really, because it's just, and I wanted to say that to them. I wanted to be like, you're just ruining our lives now, because now we're just going to be afraid all the time, and we shouldn't be afraid. We're
yeah,
not
he
doing
should
anything
know
wrong.
that he's being mean.
Yeah.
Well, they get off on stuff.
They get all on that.
I used to get a lot, but then I got fat and I put tears on.
We're going home now.
I used to.
Yeah, just
It's like
it's amazing what happens.
When we left the apartment, it was raining. It was gross. It was cold. It was horrible, and then it was raining the entire time we were biking there. Then we got there.
We were soaked, sweetie.
Yeah, it was horrible. It was horrible. And it ended up being great. Bill said something interesting today. He said, I'm no safer than you guys, and that anybody who says that they're safe is lying, and nobody's really safer than anybody else, no matter how much they have. And we are kind of living the life of not having any
Honesty.
safeties. Of what?
Honesty.
You look very pretty.
That's why we're
I mean, Thoth is a master of his craft, and yet who really knows that or gives him any credit for what he's done? Look at him. He's 62 years old, and what?
This is funny.
What?
Funny.
He's a master of his craft, and he's a genius, and who really knows that or cares? Except for me and Tori and Bill and Pascual and Michael and Dan and Forrest and a few other people.